Hello, Karen. This is Francisco or Cisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Melissa earlier this morning, and as promised, I was going to go ahead and send this video over to you, just giving you guys some tips and tricks as far as what you can be doing online to outbeat your competition and be more visible on Google, which is going to result in more clients. So I'm going to jump right to it. So right away, Karen, what I look for on this website audits is I'm looking at content. Do you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords? And basically a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you want to be able to tell Google exactly what terms or what keywords you want to be found for. For example, if you're going to be servicing AC repairs in Pomona Beach, well, you got to let them know through your website. And as long as it's optimized correctly, Google will rank you based on those keywords that you're optimized for. Okay, so right now what I'm noticing is the only keyword that I do see is South Florida commercial plumbing. But at the same time, I want to see a little bit more when it comes to specific service areas that you service for, because it's easier for Google to rank you. Now let's just jump over to this this tab here. Excuse me. So this tool called Ahrefs, it helps you understand how well your website is performing. So right now, currently, let's jump over to this section here. So here's what these two sections mean, okay? So this is your strength or your authority, how strong your website's performing. This is your trust flow, meaning how trustworthy your website is to Google. Now, some of the things that will take into consideration when it comes to these scores is your backlinks. Okay, so currently right now you have 13 backlinks with 7 referring domains. Now a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now these backlinks, they act like endorsements for your website. So the more that you have that are high quality, the more your scores are going to be indexed higher. Meaning that your website is going to be performing stronger, is going to be performing well, where Google is going to vouch for it even more. However, not all backlinks or referring domains are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get backlinks within your industry. You don't want to get backlink like, let's say, from Pizza Hut, because you're not in the food industry. It will actually hinder your overall scores. Okay, now the last thing I want to go over is your organic keywords. Currently right now you're being indexed at 48, but now what I look for, Karen, is I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. Okay, so those type of keywords, the reason why you want those is because anyone that's looking for your particular service, for example, let's see if I can find one here. So I don't have one, but let's just jump over to your competition and see if we can find a keyword that I'm looking for. So we got Lindstorm. Okay, so these guys, what I'm looking for is this right here. This is a keyword I'm looking for. Air conditioning and plumbing, Pomona Beach. Okay, air conditioning repair. So this is huge, right? So anybody that's going to be looking online for that particular keyword, guess what? They know exactly what they're looking for. They want those services, so they're going to call those people that are on the front pages of Google, and they're going to get that client. Okay, so that's big time. Look, plumber, Pomona Beach. So these guys understand SEO. They understand that I need to be ranking for these keywords. Now let's look at how well they're performing. Okay, so look, they're being indexed right now at 2 for their strength, but look, their trustworthy is 27. And now you're wondering, well, they have no backlinks or referring domains. How is it that their scores are a little bit higher than what I am? The reason why is because it's the overall content that they have on this website. So they have multiple sites or multiple pages that is giving them power. This is why they're getting that. And that is just one piece of the bigger puzzle as to what's contributing to these scores. And now let's look at what keywords they're being ranking for. So look, air conditioning at Pomona Beach. So this is what I'm looking for. Okay, AC repair. I hope I'm not butchering the name, but it's Pompano Beach. And look, the volume on this is 80. So 80 people are searching for this every single month. And that's an approximate estimated amount. Now, if you were just to add 30 plus 80 plus 60 plus 60, because these are all buyer intent keywords, imagine like the customers that you would be in front of, right? Folks that truly need your support, that need your help. Therefore, you're going to be growing your business when it comes to ranking for these websites or for these keywords. Now, let's just take AC repair, Pompano Beach, and let's let's just put it into Google and see what pops up. Now, I'm going to go to section by section for you, Karen. So right away, what I'm looking at is the Google Guarantee section or the Google Ads. So this is really nice because yes, folks are paying to be on here, and anytime someone clicks or calls them, they're going to be charged a dollar amount, but hey, they're getting more clients in, right? Those are fast results. And you know your profit margin, so imagine just getting a bigger project on just one call. Now, this is my favorite section, okay? So this is the Google My Business page section. And the reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come through the Google My Business page. Couple things you can do to help increase your ranking is one, ensuring that your content is optimized really well with those keywords. Are you getting reviews? Are you responding to reviews? And are you updating your customers with whatever new update you have within your company on and updating here on the Google My Business page? Those are the small things that's going to help increase your rankings. The last thing I want to go over, Karen, is the organic listings, okay? So remember how I showed you based on their scores? So Google uses those scores and will determine where you're going to be ranked at, okay? And right now we got Lindstorm as the number 2 spot, 1 Hour, and Cool Air USA on this section. So those are just some of the things that I want to show you, Karen. I know it might be quite a bit, but I would love your thoughts. Like I said, there's no strings attached, no harm, no foul if you decide just to take this information and do it yourself. But I would love your feedback. I would love your thoughts as far as what you thought of the overall video. You can just email me back, Karen, or you can just give me a call directly, or you can text me, either or. But my number is attached to the email. Thank you so much, Karen, and you have a good one. We'll talk to you soon.